Hello. So basically, Psych Engine is fucking easy. Uh, Enjoy this tutorial series because I'm going to be teaching you how to use Psych Engine and how to use it. It's pretty goated, and everyone needs to use it at least once. Um, so first, we're gonna introduce what Psych Engine is. It's a Friday Night Funkin' engine. Its appeal is mostly because it makes modding easier, optimized, smaller, not hard coded. Almost everything is completely soft coded, off coded, if you may. Everything in the game can be recreated with the modding tools. Hell, even some mods can be recreated with the modding tools, like tricky um, golf mod, maybe. So that's pretty dope. Um, so first, before we start everything, you need to know how the Psych Engine works. Basically, it has a mod folder. Um, the game can load up those mods from that folder. Um, yeah. So to see how it works, let's get a cool build of Psych Engine from Friday Night Funkin'. You can get off Game Banana or get off GitHub. GitHub, you'll pretty much see the source code. Um, Source code is kind of helpful. Yep, this is the latest version, a couple days ago. Got all these shits. Let's get 64 build, because that's my computer. 64. Let's just put on downloads. Boom, pop that in there. Downloads instantly. Whoa. Game Banana fixed their download speeds, did they? Open. Let's extract. Let's call this like Psych Engine in all caps. Okay. And we got our build of Psych Engine. How do we install mods? Simple. Let's just go find a Psych Engine mod. The only one that I know of is mine. Friday Night Funkin' Madness Vandalization. My bad. Yeah, I did all those. Anyway, download Madness Vandalization. A lot of people had problems with it because they didn't know how to fucking use it. They didn't, cause like, oh shit, my shit just fucking, Google Chrome is literally an ass shit. I don't know why it's so fucking bad. Anyway, people were asking how to play Madness Vandalization because they didn't see an EXE. And I knew that would happen. I knew people would instantly download and see no EXE and then get all confused. So I thought I put a big enough prerequisite to say like, download Psych Engine first. You have to have Psych Engine. A lot of people didn't read that message. So here's how to install. Let's just go back. Madness Vandalization FNF online. Oh, they already ported to KBH Games. How'd they do that? Doesn't even use the source code. So Zalua shit, like, last time I checked, only worked on Windows, but it's whatever. Alright, download a Psych Engine mod. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Let's just plop it right here. It installed. Alright, it's not installed yet. We just downloaded the mod. Mid-fight masses can be recreated in Psych Engine. Any mod, like almost like 80% of mods can be recreated in Psych Engine. Now we extract Madness Vandalization, and here's the mod. As you can see, there is no EXE. So people were confused that there's no EXE. here's how to install this. Okay, so you want to get this folder and make sure it's the folder that contains all these shits. Do not put the folder that contains the folder of that. No, it has to be the folder of these shits. So you can cut that and then go into the mods folder. As you can see, there's already a thing, but you can just paste the folder like right there. You don't have to replace anything. You don't have to replace anything. I repeat for a third time, you do not have to replace anything. You're never going to need to. Trust me. Please trust me. Do not replace anything. If you're doing it, then you're doing it wrong. If you're replacing stuff, stop it. You're not doing it right. Quit it. And then that's basically how you install mods. If we run the game, mod. If you go on story mode, all the way down, you'll see madness vandalization. We'll see. It'll run perfectly. Ooh, but bb-panzu, how do I know that you didn't just... How do I know you didn't just code the mod in already? Alright. Let's remove the mod. This is how you uninstall mods. This simple. Just take it out the folder. Put it back. So you just take it out the mod folder and it's uninstalled. Gone. See? If you go back, boom, it's gone. Where is it? I don't see it. There's no madness vandalization. It doesn't exist anymore. That's basically how to install mods. Alright, what's next on tutorial? Alright, already got that. Next, we're gonna learn how to do a custom week. In the next video, you'll see that pretty soon. So, yeah. Okay, we're gonna be learning how to make custom weeks in Psych engine. So first, you're gonna have to create your fucking mod. Here's how to do that. You take this mod folder, right? Copy everything, literally select everything, copy, new folder, and then put like my mod. Double click inside of it and then paste everything inside of it. And that's how you create your own mod directory. What I like to do is, let's copy everything again, is make another folder called template, just so I don't have to select everything and then try deselecting the mod directories. If I want to make a new mod, I can just paste everything in template. Then if I want to make a new mod, I can just copy paste the template folder, rename it, and then boom, everything's already done for me. I like to work fast. I like to optimize my workflow, and that's what I do. Alright, so here's how to make a custom week. Before we do, we have to obviously have a song for our week. How do you do that? How do you do that? Easy shit. So let's open up. I already have a music shit that I have. I haven't charted it yet. We're gonna get to that. Where is it? It's called JoJo Tune. Actually, we can just copy paste the entire folder. Copy paste that folder. Go here. Go to my mod. Go to songs. And then just paste your shit right here. That's JoJo Tune. Make sure when you make your song folder Make sure it has the instrumental and the voices. Unless if the song doesn't have a voice track, then make sure you tell the chart that it doesn't have a voice track. All right. That's how you implement a custom song in your mods folder. Now if we go and open up Psych Engine, you'll see that our song is implemented. Not entirely yet, it's in there, but we won't be able to see it. Why? Because there's not a week for it. So to make a week for it, you're gonna press 7 on this menu, and this will bring up the master editor, where you'll see all the editors. You'll see a week editor, character editor, dialogue portrait editor, dialogue editor, menu character editor, and week editor. We're gonna start off with the week editor. We're gonna make a new week. All right, this is our week editor. For now, our song was called JoJo Tune. Our next song, let's just Dad Battle. Actually, I don't know how it's formatted, so I'm just gonna name it Pico. I'm just gonna do Pico. So that's our week. Let's just say this is our week. Maybe I'll make another song for this week, just so you can know how to actually make a week. Nothing like Momi or whatever. Our characters, we don't want to do anything with these yet because we don't have menu characters yet. We're going to do that in this tutorial. Display name, meaning what's your week name? JoJo Gone Wild. Week name for reset score menu. Just name it custom week. I have no idea what the hell this is. I'll figure it out later. Week file. This is your week file name. What's it called? We don't have one yet, so for now we'll keep it as JoJo. As you can see, it's a missing file because it doesn't exist. We don't have one yet. All right. If you look in free play, you can select the free play week. You can see your week, how it looks in free play. We're gonna use that icon for now. Let's go back to story mode. That's how you create a week. Background asset. That's the background. That's a Psych Engine thing that it has, where the story menu has a background. I think it's pretty dope. If you don't want one, I guess you could just leave it blank. Let's save our week. Let's save our custom week. Oops. Ooh, wow. I'm accidentally leaking everything. Hopefully no one cares too much. Where did we save it? We saved it in the Psych Engine folder right here. Go inside here, go inside mods, my mod, weeks, and just name this JoJo. Awesome. Now if we go back, I'm not going to press enter because you don't have a chart for it. I'm not even sure if it'll work. Yeah, it crashes. There's no JoJo Tune chart. So, yeah. Now we're going to make our menu character. This is JoJo. This is JoJo. We want to make a menu character like asset for him. Let's just copy his idle. Let's just for now move it over here. Oh, right. Let's just move to a new layer. Alright. So fucking my bad. I forgot I set F7 as the stop recording button. I forgot that Adobe Animate uses F7 literally all the time, so remind me to use a more obscure key for these things, like pause or inserts, rather than important functions like F7 and F8. I created the thingy. I might teach that in another tutorial. Anyway, I just made him yellow. We're gonna export JoJo menu as a sprite sheet. I'm so upset because I literally finished literally everything, and then I checked and saw that I that's annoying. So we're gonna put this in our menu characters. Name it menu JoJo as a sprite sheet. So it's gonna have the XML. Awesome. While we're at it, let's export the icons as well. Alright, export PNG sequence. I already did. I already did this because I didn't know that I stopped recording. How fucking embarrassing. Anyway, that's basically how it is. Make sure the dimensions of the icon file is 300 by 150. Just save it in the images icons folder right here. Images, icons. Save it. Make sure the name is icon dash the character's name. That's how it's supposed to be formatted. Remember that. Alright. Now, it's such a shame. I literally charted the entire song, and it was a cool charter. I got to show off some cool things. I just stopped recording because I didn't know I stopped. All right. Now let's get rid of this. Yeah. Okay. Let's delete our week. We're gonna recreate it again, so you can fully know how to create a week. Okay. So press F7. I mean, just press 7, not F7. Remind me never to press F7. Oh, am I still recording? Okay, just making sure, cause that shit was embarrassing. You guys didn't see it, but to me it was. Let's go into menu character editor. That's where we're gonna edit our character menu character. His name was menu JoJo, so just load that up. And his idle animation on the XML was called JoJo menu. Reload the character. Bam. Not the exact same color, but it's whatever. He's a little too fat. He's a little too big. My bad. Let's just scale him down. Offset him like here with the arrow keys. And then you can save your character. Your menu character. We're gonna save it on my mod, images, menu characters, and JoJo. Bam. Now you can go back, go to your week editor. We're gonna recreate the whole entire week. So you know the drill. What was it? Songs was JoJo Tune and Pico. Characters, JoJo. Boom, our character's loaded. Stage background asset. It's a Psych engine thing where it has like the background and stuff. We don't need one. We can just get rid of it. Our new week name, you know, perfect week name. Week file, call it JoJo, because that's our week file. We don't have one yet, but we'll make one. If you go on free play, this is how it looks in free play. Change the color. Selected icon, it was JoJo. Loaded. This one's just Pico, so just make it Pico. Make it green. save. Go to my mod, weeks, and just put JoJo in there. Awesome. Now if you exit, if you go on free play, you'll see our songs are here. If you go on story mode, you'll see our characters are here. I already charted the entire song. I told y'all how to implement our song, right? Give me a sec. I'm gonna check if I actually did. Okay, so yeah, I already told you how to implement music. Charts, it's the exact same way. You just if you go on data, hold on, Windows 10. I hate Windows 10. I hate Windows 10. I hate Windows 10. Literally, the file explorer is so god awfully slow. But literally, any file explorer, like the file explorer, is so. See, it didn't even fucking open. See how much I hate Windows 10. And yes, there's a Windows 10 thing. It is a Windows 10 thing. You can really go faster in here. Just go open Notepad. Oh, okay, it loaded. So to put charts in, you literally just put the folder, same thing as the assets folder, you just put the folder in and wait for Windows 10 to not be shit. So you're going to be waiting for a long time. We can just show here, JoJo tune, show all files. And there's our chart JSON. Y'all already know how to chart, right? Yeah. Am I still recording? Okay, just making sure. I'm a little paranoid now because what fucking happened? So. It's loading up the chart.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, that's our week. JoJo tune, it loaded. You're probably wondering like why the fuck my arrow colors are the way that it is. It's just an option that Psych Engine has. You can change your note color. I set mine like this. Go in story mode. I should have load. And yeah, that's basically how you create your own week. Now, am I still recording? Cool. Next step, we're gonna learn how to create a custom character. I'm gonna show you how to use the character editor. I already showed you how to do the icons, so I guess we can just get rid of that.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yep, loaded our week. Awesome. Now let's get started on our custom character. Okay, we're gonna make a custom character in Psych Engine. Let's go! Alright, so firstly, you know the drill. We gotta export our whole entire spreadsheet in Adobe Animate. These are all the sprites. These are all the sprites. Ignore the sneezing cat dog thingy. Yo, he's got even frowning animations. Fun fact, did you know that this character is actually the first character I made to have an alternate idle animation before Sky? It's pretty dope, pretty dope, pretty dope. My mod images. This is the character sprite sheet. Y'all know how to make spreadsheets, right? You know, you select all the animations right here, and then generate sprite sheet, and then it's gonna generate sprite sheet. Make sure it's these settings, Sparrow v2. You know, go to my mod, images, characters, save it as JoJo assets or whatever. That's the character name, and then boom. All right. Let's create our character. How we do that? You know, press 7 on the menu. You'll be brought to our master editor thingy. Character editor. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. I really love this croissant. Alright. So, right off the bat, you're probably thinking, what the fuck is this shit? This shit looks fucking dope. Why does it look so dope? Alright. So, right now, first things first, you're gonna have to select the character to base it off of. Don't worry about it. Just for now. So just to provide less work, I'm gonna use a character with like the least amount of animations, which is the mom. She has like 2 animations. She has like, yeah, all the basic shits. God, she's so bad. She is so hot. Anyway, oops. Let me do this so you can see shit better. EQ to zoom in, zoom out. Alright. I never realized how pretty she was. She's actually kind of cute. Yeah, mommy. Hey, mommy. Sorry, getting distracted. Alright. Now, next step is to load our character. To load your character, type in the file name. We named it JoJo Assets. We reload the image. JoJo will load. Oh, we didn't even click it. My bad. JoJo will load. Boom! Right off the bat, you'll get errors. Why? Because the animation names are not the same. So just select the animation. Animation on XML or text file. Whatever. JoJo idle. Add or update. Click that. Boom. I'll zoom in so y'all can see the add update. Alright, that's his idle animation. I'm gonna keep his X and Y up there because I like to, you know what, fucking just put it down on the ground. Put him down on the ground. Alright, let's shift him a little closer. Camera X, camera Y, just basically where the camera points at when it's his turn. Health bar color, let's change it to JoJo. And we need less red. More green. Yeah. You can select these and use a specific color if you want. So. The reason why it looks a little icky is because I turned off anti-aliasing. So even if you turn this on, it won't work. So just forget about it. Flip X, that's just if your character is supposed to be facing the other direction. Alright. Sing animation length. It's like 4 seconds, right? I don't know. Animation ghost is like an onion skin to, oops, that's weird. It's like an onion skin to see, it just helps with offsetting. So if you go back to our idle, awesome. Now let's continue adding animations. So our sing left, animation ghost, set it to idle. I don't know why he's up there. I know why he's up there, because it's weird. So our animation name, keep the animation name the same. If you want to add like custom animations that you're going to use in like your mod, you can change the animation name, change the animation prefix, which is the name on the XML, and then add/update, and it'll just add the animation. We're going to do that later. We're going to do that. Right now, let's get our, so what was it called? It was called JoJo Left. Whoa, that is hella offsetted. Select our right animation. JoJo right. Bam. There we can. If you use the W DWS, you can preview the animations and such. As you can see, the offsets are hella whack. Sing up. We just. It was called select sing up. It was called JoJo up. Do that, and then click the sing down animation, and then JoJo down. Guys, this character is not related to Carol. Please don't say that. I've had people say that on another tutorial video, or not a tutorial video, but on another video just showing this character. People said like, "Yo, Carol's brother, Carol's dad," and I'm like, oh, shut up. None of my characters are related in any way, shape, or form. Oops. Let's just offset that. It's got the cool fans. Yeah, that looks about right. Sing right. Oops, sing left. Holy shit. Look how far you are. Just go back there, right? I'm sure I can just put this. Yeah, sing left so I can. Awesome. Awesome. Character is purely offsetted. Now what do we do? Oh boy, what do we do? Oh, also I need to teach you how to do this for animation indices. For like girlfriend who has 2 animations in 1 prefix. Indices is, or indices, I think it's actually pronounced. Indices. I think it's pronounced indices. You would basically set like which specific frames they would load. To do that, you just do like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for every frame. Anyway, if you wanted to just use the prefix, just leave it blank. Now that we're done with our character, save it. Save character. Go to my mod and my recording. Okay, cool. Go to my mod, then characters, and then name it JoJo, or your character name, which our character name is JoJo. Now you can escape. If we go back to our JoJo week, press 7 to go on the chart menu, the epic chart menu, the epic charter that Psych Engine has. It's really, really dope. Because you can change your own note texture, your note sprites. So I think you just put the name of your note texture and the note splashes, because this engine has splashes. Then you go on your opponents, click on that, scroll down, and you'll see JoJo, or your character name, and it'll load. Now escape. Oops, I forgot. Escape on the chart editor. Test the chart to actually play your. Yeah, press enter. My bad. Yeah, you can playtest your charts at specific points, so now you don't have to restart the entire song. And as you can see, our character loads. Kind of looks like it needs to be put down just the tiniest bit. It's literally just the repeating melody over and over again. It's a dope instrumental, but I had to get this tutorial done, so I had to just repeat the. As you can see, our character loaded. We also want to, if you want to edit your character mid game, press 8, and then boom. He was a little too low, so we'll just move him a tad. Save your character again. Save over it. Blow. Press escape, and your character is now edited. Yay! There you go. Now he's properly positioned. That's how you add your custom character. Let's give him more animations. I'm gonna show you a cool thing that's Engine has. So if user animation goes, it'll actually work. Let's add alt animations. So you do that by making the animation name alt, and then XML, it was just called left 16. Then right right. Oh right. Oh no. That's like the devil or something. Sing up. Let's do that real quick. Awesome. Now if we twist it down. Awesome. He also has an alt idle animation, so let's go ahead and add that. Awesome. I might give him an extra animation, just so y'all can see how he works. Not now, because since his XML and PNG are already cached in, we can't really do anything with it right now. So we saved our character, press escape. If we go in the chart editor, and yeah, so the chart shits have built-in idle animation things. So
3, 2, 1, go.
if we go press 7. And let's see, like, and then over here, let's say he gets mad. So we make that an alt animation. And then right here on events, just put in an event right here. Select alt animation. See these events? These are some cool ass events. They're used almost, yeah. So alt idle animation. So value 1, that's for the character, which character to have the alt animation. So dad. Value 2, that's just the alt suffix. So we did dash alt. So idle alt to dash alt, and then it's gonna be sad. And then we're gonna make them happy again, so we'll just get rid of this. Awesome. We'll just make everything, just everything he sings, alt. Whoa. Oops. I meant to put alt animation, not must hit section. And I'll be happy right then. Here, let's just save that. My mod, data, JoJo tune, replace it. Also, you will also want to save these events. It's really helpful that events are not stored in the chart. So that way, when making easy, normal, hard charts, you don't have to edit every single event. It'll just pull from there. So if you exit, you'll see oops, I meant if you press enter. Sorry. If you press enter. Am I still recording? Just making sure. That's weird. Something tells me his alt animations aren't implemented. Did we not save the character when we... Oh, that's so cringe. Why didn't y'all tell me to save the character? See, I hate my fan. I hate my viewers. I hate my viewers. Y'all don't remind me how to do things. So right now we're just gonna quickly add them in. We're gonna offset them later. So unreliable. How can I ever count on you guys? Awesome. Left alt, it was like 16. Right alt, it was like 26. Up alt, it's like 621. And then down alt, it's like negative 23 and negative 26. Also, idle animation, he has an alt one. He has an alt idle animation. Yeah, turns out I just forgot to update the character. Awesome. Now we saved this character. So my mod characters JoJo. Ooh, I hope I didn't save it in the. Where did I save it before, actually? Not sure where I saved it, so just save it in characters. JoJo.json. Boom, character save. Press exit. Now it should not fuck up. I promise. I promise, y'all. I promise. Y'all don't believe me? I'm beating your ass.
3, 2, 1, go.
There we go. Now he's back to happy. I'm not paying attention. Okay, so that's how you create your character. That's how you create your character. We created a custom character. We can check that off the checklist. Next, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own fucking stage. all right.
Oh, but BB, there wasn't a stage editor. What do I do?
Shh. You'll figure it out. All right, we're gonna create a custom stage.
What? How the fuck do you do that? It's a little bit more complicated and less systemic, like characters or dialogue or.
Yeah. You just you wait. All right, so we're gonna open up an important tool. It's called Sublime. you don't need Sublime. You can literally use Notepad. I literally use Notepad for like the first couple things. I only use Sublime because it's got like color coded shit, and I like to look at that.
Wait, but BB, this is a text editor.
In fact, this looks like a code editor. Oh, sorry, I had a frog in my throat. It's out now. I beat it up. We're gonna open up an important resource. It's called the Psych Engine Wiki. It's on GitHub. We're gonna make a custom stage. Custom stage. This is really helpful because I'm probably not gonna go over everything. So I'll put the wiki in the description if you want to learn more about shit. Helpful guide teaches you how to do everything. Create a character, dialogue. These are the ones we want to focus on. The Lewis script shits. Script? Did I say script? I meant crip Val gang, you know. Okay. Alright, we're gonna create a custom stage. First order of business. So there's not an editor for this. What you wanna do is go to the assets folder in Psych Engine, asset folder. Or no, you don't even gotta do that. Alright, so what you want to do is go on the GitHub, right? Go on the Lua script API, scroll all the way down. You're gonna select this one. Example of a custom stage, a copy of week 1 stage made fully in Lua. It's got a load of examples that you can use. We'll just put this right here, right? Am I recording? Okay, just making sure. Just making sure. I always have to make sure. All right, we open up our example stage. Extract to, that. All right, we got our example stage. We got the JSON and we got the Lua. Now, what you want to do is copy this, right? Copy this. Go into your Psych engine. You want to go to your mods, your my mod, stages, and then just paste that shit right there, right there. So there's no editor for this. You're gonna have to use some sort of text editor like Notepad or Notepad++ or Sublime. You're gonna open up the JSON. The JSON is very important. This just positions just general stage metadata, like it's file directory, like it's file library, default zoom, like what's its initial the camera zoom. I'm gonna make it like 1. If it's a pixel stage, it's not. That's for like week 6 and shit. These are the X positions and the Y positions of each character. So boyfriend, girlfriend, and opponent. We'll fuck with that a little later. So we got that set. Now for the difficult part. Not the difficult, but this one's gonna take a while. Alright, so remember when I said that Psych Engine is like no code. You don't have to use no code. Okay, so I might have stretched the truth a little. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. I know it looks scary. Trust me, it looks frightening. It literally looks like the KKK. Okay, but don't get scared. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. I know I can see you shivering in your boots. Just calm down. Take deep breaths. In. Out. Okay. All right. So let's just get one thing straight. You did not expect to get through this whole thing without a little bit of coding. But don't worry, this is not source code. This is Lua scripts. You ever code for Roblox? It's basically the same shit. So basically what the Lua API shits are just these aren't like code that's editing the actual Friday Night Funkin' game. It's just code that communicates with the Friday Night Funkin' game. Basically, it's just code telling Friday Night Funkin' what to add, what to put, what to do. Basically that much. Difference between source code is that source code is you're editing the game on how it works. You're basically programming a child or whatever. But Lua scripts, you're literally just giving the child instructions, and then the child is like, okay, I'll do that. All right. So we have our custom stage. To load our custom stage, you just go in the chart editor. My tummy is hurting. I don't know why it's been hurting the past couple of days. And then example stage is already there. It's already loaded because we put it in the stages. Wow, my tummy hurts. If we load up my tummy hurts. If we load up the example stage, you'll see the stage loads.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, but how do I know this is actually the custom stage? How do I know you're not pulling my leg? Easy. How we know? Let's just move girlfriend next to boyfriend, so like 800 on the JSON, right? Restart. Best thing about this is that you don't have to recompile anything. You literally just have to restart the game. And then it'll update all your code. Whoa, girlfriend's by boyfriend now. That's so cool. That's so cool. Let's move her back. Let's move her back. Now, BB, I don't want week 1 shits. I hate these shits. I want to get rid of these. All right. So first, let's just get rid of everything. Let's get rid of everything. All right. If we save, and if we restart the song, you'll see everything is now blank. Make sure you always save your scripts, otherwise they won't run. Ugh.
3, 2, 1, go.
Completely empty. Everything is completely empty. Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm gonna fuck. Alright. Let's create our custom stage. So let's make some assets. First, let's do the simplest thing, which is just adding images onto the stage. So let's export our ground. Go to my mod, images. This one, it doesn't matter where you save it, but I like to keep all my things in a folder. Easy. So just name it. We don't really need a folder, actually. Right now, we don't need a folder. We don't need the folder. So let's just name it ground.png. Alright. And then export that. Make sure it's 32 bits so things are transparent. Export the half pipe. You just select export PNG sequence, and if they're like single frame stuff, then it'll just, yeah. Awesome. Now export the city. Yes. Export the sky. Awesome. So for now, let's just get our single image stuff. This dog can wait. Jeez, I'm gonna fucking lose it. Okay. So to create a sprite, let's add the floor. Let's add the ground first. So add Lua sprite. Exactly like this. All right. But first, let's get rid of everything. Saved. I need to teach you how to do these functions. So here's some important functions that you need to remember. There's function on create. Just put end to end the on create function. See, these are connected. Another function you want to know is function, on beat hit. So for every beat. Another function you want to remember, on step hits. My brother's awake, so I might mute from time to time. I can't mute, so you're just gonna have to hear screaming. Here we go. All right, back to important functions. So step hit for every like step or whatever. Another function you need to know is on update. So for like every frame the game plays. Another function you need to know is like that's basically all the like important functions that you need to know. We'll go over the other functions. So this is all you need. So on create, this starts as soon as the game loads. So it happens once. While it loads the game, while it loads the stage. So let's add our assets. So you want to add Lua sprite like that. Add Lua sprite. Remember, you can do this on Notepad too. So add Lua sprite. So this is our variable name. So we're naming this variable ground, or the ground. Next, we're going to determine our file name. So the name of the sprite's PNG or whatever. It was called ground on the images folder. So like that. Next is our X and Y position. So we're gonna do like 1,000, maybe. No, like 0 by 1,000. We'll edit all this stuff later. That's not how you do it. It's make Lua sprite. You have to make the Lua sprite. My bad, guys. Add Lua sprite now. Difference between make Lua sprite and add Lua sprite. Make Lua sprite makes the actual sprite, and then add Lua sprite puts it in the stage. So add Lua sprite. It's gonna ask for what variable was it? What was the sprite that you want to add? And we named it the ground. This is our variable name, or our Lua tag, as some might say. And then next is gonna ask if you want it behind or in front of the character. Or do you want it behind the character? Or do you want it in front of the character? No, I don't want it in front of the character. So if we restart the song, it'll load in our ground texture, our ground sprite. It might be a little too high, actually. My game restarts really slowly. Surprisingly slow. There's only like 4 assets. It usually doesn't take this long. It's probably because I'm recording. It's taking a little longer than it should. Ugh. Whatever. Oh, it fucking loaded.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright. No ground, as you can see. Why no ground? Easy. It's not low enough, or it's too low. Where's our characters located? Yeah, it is too low. Let's put it like 200. I don't know why it's such a low frame rate. I know why, because Lua shits are memory intensive for some reason. Is that how you fucking do it? How'd you do it? How you do it? What? Yeah, okay, so yeah. So just close the script once you're done with this. If you just press close, then it'll just get rid of the Lua script. It'll get rid of it like once it hits that, so it doesn't need to check for it ever again. That's just to make shit fast. I have no idea why it's taking this long to load. It should take like 8 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, as you can see, we can see our ground. We can see our ground. It's still too high, obviously, so just but it's like 600, right? That's about right. Oh, okay. So the ground is too far front. So do negative 200. Awesome. I'm gonna put it a little further back, but as you can see, the ground is cool. Say you want to put the ground, make it look like it's further in the background. You can do like, how is it done? How is it done, guys? How's it done? Set Lua sprite scroll factor. The if you do that, set Lua sprite scroll factor. So the variable name, it was the ground. You can set it to like that on the x position, that on the x-axis, that on the y-axis. So now it'll scroll less to make it look like it's in the background.
Three, two, one, go.
Awesome. Now let's add our other sprites. Y'all know how to do it. So easy way is just to duplicate this. I did Control D on Sublime. You can do that on any code editor. Notepad, you have to copy and paste it manually. Sorry, you Notepad users, you icky Notepad users. Okay. Did this feel too low to me? Nope. Okay. Cool. Now we do the half pipe. So let's make the half pipe. Just copy paste this. Our image name, it was just called half pipe, like that. Scroll factor, we'll set it a little bit further in the background. Actually, we may make this background right here and then do that. And restart. And boom, loaded.
Three, two, one, go.
Now where's our half pipe? Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's a little too low. Oh shoot, no, wait, yeah, you did right. So half pipe needs to go a little further, like this much, maybe 0, not like 200, and then this one needs to go a little higher, so put it at like 300. Do like, how tall is this? Like 300? Yeah, okay. Just making sure I'm still recording. It's 20 minutes. If I wasn't recording, it'd take me seconds.
Three, two, one, go.
Alright, now our half pipe is way too high. So do like 400. No, not even 400. Like 500, right? Why does my shit just insist upon? I know exactly why my shit's lagging. I don't know if it's a Windows 10 thing, but File Explorer for some reason uses like a shitload of CPU. I don't even know why. It literally just sits there and reads files. That should be like the least CPU intensive thing it should do. Windows 11 better fix this, or I'm killing people. I'm eating people. feel the half pipe is way too close to him, so let's just put it at 0. And the scroll factor for the Y, we'll keep it the way it is. Just make it like that. And while we're at it, let's add in our city. Well, let's add in our sky first because we're not going to be able to see the city. But let's see if our half pipe is properly placed.
3, 2, 1, go.
Awesome. Let's place our sky. Boom. We're gonna set our sky scroll factor to like 2. So we name the sky, and then our file name was sky. So set this one to like a really high number, so like 1,000 maybe. 600 maybe. Restart the song. Oops. It's probably gonna do something. Let's just restart that. How big is the sky? Yeah, okay. There's the sky. It's a little too far though. Yeah, move it to like -100. Yep, stage making process takes a long time. Not for me though, because the way I do it is like hella optimized. Now where's the sky now? What did we change? -600. Oh wait, it's going too high. Hold on, I need to change it to like 300, 200, 100, 200, 500, 400, 400. Now if we restart, our sky's coming along nicely. It's still too far though, so we might have to just there we go. Oops, okay. Shift it far like 50. Sounds actually freaking good. Alright, now let's add that let's add that fucking city that we were supposed to add right here. All right. It's like near boyfriend. So where's boyfriend located? Like 700. So let's make that like 800. 800 and then like 400. How tall is this shit? Like, yeah. It's 400. And then we're gonna call it the city. I wonder if you can do the same thing. Oh yes, you can do the same thing that ain't that fucking goated. That is hella useful. This file name is called city. Scroll factor, it's further than the ground, so. Now if we do this. Epic city. Oh, but now we can kind of see the sky. How big is this sky? Okay, we can see the city now. It's a little too low though, so we might raise it up just a tad bit, like 300. And the sky, we might shift it like only 25 pixels. And then boom, our background is done. Next step, we're gonna fucking add the dog who has an animation. Now, how do we add animations to things? That's a funky. It's a funky we need to discuss.
3, 2, 1, go.
There we go. There we not go. Now the city's okay. So we know what to fix. Just do 16. All right. Now let's add our fucking dog here, who has multiple animations. Select the two animations. Generate spreadsheet. So cat bounce and cat sneeze. Momi. The color is completely coincidental. Anyway, my mod images, name it. What the guys, don't actually take this as lore. Whatever. So we named the cat Momi. Alright, now next step we want to do is make animated Lua sprite. Boom. It's the same shit. The variable name, we're gonna call it cat. The file name is called Momi. X and Y position, it's near the opponents, so it's like 100 or maybe like 40, and then like how far is the cat from the top of his head? Like 300. Let's do like 300, like 400. All right. Now you're gonna wanna add animation by prefix. So you're gonna do it on cat. The animation name is called bounce. The animation prefix, which is on the XML, is called cat bounce. And frame rate is 24. Jesus Christ. Oh, epic. He left. And is it looped? No. Don't loop it. Actually, just loop it for now. And then, next, you're gonna add Lua sprite, which is cat. You're gonna put it in front of the character, so you're gonna put add sprite and do that. True means I do want it in front of the character. And then to make the animation play, you do object play animation. You tell the cat object, its Lua tag is cat, so you tell the cat object, am I recording? Cool. Tell the cat object to play the bounce animation. To force the bounce animation, I mean, not really. It's not playing anything right now, so when we load this, you will see the cat. Okay, well, we see the cat. It's not on the ground. As you can see, the cat's animated. Why is the cat so high, though? Weird cat. So, that's just 700. So that's how to add animated shits on your scene, on your stage. Ugh. Well, now the cat's too low. And he's a little too far too, so let's just... $600 is too much. Maybe like $650. Ah, cat's too not close enough. 40. Awesome. That's how to add. Alright. Let's say you want the cat to actually bounce on beat, because right now the cat's just only bouncing on its own rhythm. Jesus Christ. That takes care of that. Why is our cat so far, though? It's supposed to be, like, literally, like, near him. 80? I feel like that's too far, too. 90, maybe? I don't know. But as you can tell, he's in front of the character. Alright. That's how you make a stage. That's how you make a stage. Nope. Now we gotta make that cat bounce on beat. How do we do that? Easy shit. Take the object play animation, put it on beat hit. And now that we know that our stage is going to do stuff more than just the beginning of the frame, we're gonna get rid of close. We're gonna get rid of that. So now that our script can continuously keep running. So on beat hit, get rid of that. Get rid of these. Get rid of those. On beat hit, the cat's gonna play its bounce animation. So set that to true. And also while we're at it, we also have to add our cat sneeze animation. So name the animation sneeze, and then cat sneeze. Now if we restart, you will see our cat bounces every frame. Or bounces every beat.
3, 2, 1, go.
There you go. We want our cat to sneeze. Let's make our cat sneeze. Let's make our cat play the sneeze animation. So let's say if curbeat, that's already an implemented variable that the game can read. So if curbeat equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then that's how we write if statements. Our cat will play our sneeze animation. And make sure you write end to end the if statement. So now if you restart it. Did our cat sneeze? I literally wasn't even looking. Zero, 1, 2. Hey, our cat sneezed. You just didn't see it. We were gonna do it on a later beat. Yay, our cat sneezed. Want to make our cat make a sneezing sound? Let's go find a sneeze sound effect. Yeah. Man, down. Where you from, nigga? Open up Audacity so I can record some sneezing sound effects. Are you fucking serious? Are you serious? That's fucking lame. Okay, the fucking every freaking sneeze it just says preview. Oh, I hate that. That is lame. They're lame. They're lame for doing that. Okay, guess cat can't use sound effects. But in case if you wondered, to play a sound effect, you would do like play sound and then like sound name. I'm pretty sure. I think it'd be like sound tag and then sound name. But I'm gonna get to that whenever I get the chance. So you want our cat to beat for every couple intervals, but you don't want to. No, we don't want to do that. Easy method. Oh, now Audacity opens. I fucking hate my computer. Easy method. We're gonna do a little thing called math. We're gonna do something called math. Let me close Audacity. It's got the audacity to open. So, percent. That the percent sign. It's just the remainder, or as we called it in elementary school. So if the remainder of curbeat divided by 8 equals 0, 1, 2, 4. Meaning like for every, so like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically it's saying like for every 8 beats, if the current beat equals that fourth beat, then make the cat sneeze. So again, if for every 8 beats, if the current beat is the fourth one, then sneeze. That's pretty much how like girlfriend speed works. I won't teach you how to do that right now. But if we were to start the song, you'll see our cat sneezes every so often.
3, 2, 1, go.
There we go. Our cat sneezing every so often. Alright, as you can see, our cat is sneezing. Stop. Go. Shoot. You can't come in. Anyway, I think this is where we'll stop. We've created our stage, our custom stage. You can make it do shit. Ooh, an important thing you need to know, because this is only the tiniest bit. Because you need to know this. You need to know this. Say if you want to set your, you want to change your position of something. You would set property. You're going to be using set property a lot, because this is basically like you being able to access things in the source code that you won't be able to just from Lua. So set property cat x. For every sneeze, I guess, just move it forward like 30 pixels, right? So that's how you would do things. So cat.x. You would kind of write it like how you would in source code. So cat.x or cat.y or cat.animation.current.framerate or FPS. That's basically how you would access things like that. Cat angle, so it's like its rotation. So we're just gonna do cat x. But everything, if you want to do cool shit, I'm telling you, you can literally do almost any mod in this thing. Literally just look through all the script APIs and stuff. You'll see how to do certain things. It'll be in the description. Yeah. Is our cat moving? Our cat's not moving. Why isn't our cat moving? That's weird. It should be moving. Maybe I didn't move it enough. Like maybe 800, maybe like 100. It should move like 100 every time. Another thing that you might want to use, so you can create your own variables in the Lua scripts by doing like local and then say like TTT or boobs. Say it equals 0. And then on the update function, we can do like set property cat angle. You can set it to boobs or have boobs increase. To have boobs increase, you just do boobs equals boobs plus 1. You don't have to have the semicolon, but I just like to add it because it feels secure. And plus it's a habit now. Anyway, if we restart the song, it should do it. I don't know why it didn't move the cat.
Yep, as you can see, the cat's now rotating. Is it called on beat hit? It is. Maybe like for every beat, the cat should move. As you can see, the cat's rotating. That's how you basically use variables. You can use almost any type of variables. So you can do like a number variable. You can do a string variable. So like for text and stuff, you can do like a bool variable. That's basically how you would do it. The only variable that you can't do with the Lua script right now is tables, or as people know them as arrays. You can't do this. Unfortunately, you can't, or at least, or so I've heard. You can't do that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Cat's X position isn't moving. It's really weird because it should do that. Yeah, I should add on the fucking. Oh, I know exactly why it's okay. Yeah. That's on me. I set the cat's position to 10. I didn't increase it by 10. I just set it to 10. So to increase it by 10, you would do get property. Ooh, that's an important function. So you want to get the cat's X, and then just do plus 10. And that's how you would move the cat. Here, let's do it like every time it sneezes. It moves like 40 pixels actually. 10 I feel is way too little.
3, 2, 1, go.
There you go. Cat's moving every time it sneezes. It's ever so slightly. You can't tell because it's moving so slow. But if you set it to 40, you'll tell the cat moves. This is how we do our stage code. Awooga. Anyway. Sorry, I was just thinking about my cool girlfriend, Kaya.
3, 2, 1, go.
Now the cat will move drastically, yeah. Now you can tell the cat's actually moving. I'm gonna just make the freaking cat roll. Yeah, I'm gonna just make the cat roll. The cat is rolling. Say you want to move these actual characters. You want to move these characters. I'm pretty sure you can just do like. So to make the cat move, you can just. If you change it to dad, it'll literally work. And the dad will rotate. Oh, whoa. Yeah. You can do it on girlfriend, boyfriend.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yep, it works. Dad is circling. You can change his angle though, but not his X position, I don't think. To set his X position, I think you need to do something like... You need to do like set character X, I believe, and then it's just, oh wait, haha, actually you can't do that, I just didn't set it to dad. Wow, I'm doing this tutorial on the spot. Can you tell? Can you tell?
Three, two, one, go.
See, the camera even follows him. Isn't that amazing? He's just going. He's just leaving. He's just flying away. You basically get the gist. We can even do it on boyfriend. For boyfriend, you have to type in boyfriend, but for girlfriend, you just type in GF. Or I think you also type in girlfriend as well, actually. Girlfriend as well also works. But yeah, if you restart this, yeah, boyfriend will. Yeah, it's pretty amazing what the Lua scripts can do. You can do pretty much anything. It's not as limited as you think. I know what you're thinking. I know you're thinking, I'm gonna use the source code. It's more reliable. No, trust me. You can use this. You can use this. Awesome. You can even use girlfriend. Let's do girlfriend. GF. I'm pretty sure you can also just type in BF and then it'll work. For boyfriend.
Three, two, one, go.
Yep, now the girlfriend is rotating and spinning and moving. You can even change her scale. Her girlfriend's scale X. Like so. So like this x-axis of her scale, you know? You can make her stretch and rotate.
Three, two, one, go.
Whoa, okay. Ooh. That's actually a cool effect. This looks like fucking Evangelion. Anyway, I'm gonna turn that off now because it's starting to look too cool for me. Alright, but yeah, now you basically, you get, is there anything other cool shit that I also want to show off that I might not show off on another tutorial? Yeah, everything you can see, you can pretty much learn yourself on the Lua API. Let's see, next tutorial, I'm going to teach y'all how to make custom dialogue and video cutscenes. You don't gotta code them in, guys. They're already in there for you. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Wow, that's almost an hour recording. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to do video cutscenes, and then I'm gonna teach you how to do text cutscenes later. Alright? So, video cutscenes. Easy shit. I think there's already an example. Video example, right there. Cutscene on bbpanzu. Story mode. Alright, so we'll just place this here. bbpanzu test video. We're gonna learn how to use it together. Google Chrome crashed again because it's so unreliable and so buggy. That's why I switched to Firefox until I realized Firefox also crashes. And now I'm starting to wonder, maybe it's not these browsers, maybe it's just my computer. So we go in the GitHub, right here. Am I recording? I'm just making sure. I always have to make sure. Last time I didn't, I freaking fucked my ass. Where's the now where is it? That's not it. Wiki. Let's see. Lua script API. Video example. Cutscene on bbpanzu. Alright, paste it right there. open up the zip. Yes, stop asking me to do that. Extract. And now we're going to learn how to do video cutscenes. So videos. So video. We got our test video. How's that looking? How's that looking?
Lamp oil, rope, bombs. You want it? It's yours, my friend, as long as you have enough rubies. Sorry, Link. I can't give credit. Come back when you're a little, richer.
Awesome, awesome. We'll use this test video in our Psych engine mod. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? We're gonna go on my mod, and on the videos, we're just gonna paste the video. That's it. Paste the video. But now we gotta do code shits. So for this, we want it to be song specific, but we were coding for a stage. We want it to be song specific.
Oh, I'm assuming you just say like if song name is.
No. That is so 2020. 2020. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Over here. Function. On start. I'm sure it's start count down. I'm sure that's what the function is called. Then just end it. Let's save this. We're going to go to our mod, data, I don't know, JoJo tune or song name. And we're gonna call this script.lua. It has to be named script.lua. And then boom. Now let's see however they did it, because I forgot. So this is just basically how to do it. So you're gonna have a local function called allow countdown. So you're gonna name it false. You just pretty much copy all this shit on start countdown. So basically, what this code is saying is on the countdown, when it starts the countdown, if allow countdown is false and it's on story mode and you haven't seen the cutscene yet, start the video cutscene, and then you can allow a countdown. So basically what this does, so this start video function, if you go in the source code, you can pretty much see how it does. It will play the video, and then after it finishes the video, it will start a countdown. So that's why we block the first countdown. It'll do the video, and then it'll allow a countdown again, and then it'll just do the countdown again. So now that we got that shit, that's how you do video cutscenes. However, on low-end computers, it'll lag at the first couple seconds of the video, which I hate. So to compensate for that, there's a timer function. I make a little timer. I'm sure we can find how you do timers in Psych Engine right here. These are tweens. Cancel timer. Where is it? Where was it? Oh, there it is. Run timer. So tag, name of the timer, time, how long the timer is, and loops. So to compensate for low-end computers, here's what I do. I take this out. I cut this. We're gonna name it just for now. Just name the function like this. Oh, stop singing. Actually, I love you. Keep singing. Door's locked. Can't come in. Sorry. No matter how much you push, door's locked. Stop. Whatever. Okay. Just put that video right there. Okay. Now you're going to make a run timer. Timer tag. It was like low end. And then how long the timer is, make it a second. And then loops, only one loop. So I'm pretty sure the function is on timer, I believe. If we go to like if we go to, I think it's on timer, I think it's called something, on timer completed. Whatever. Keep crying about it, whatever. You go to timer completed, tag, loops, loop left. You keep it like this. Keep crying. I'll feed you later. And then we go, awesome. Then we go to like, if tag equals, please don't bang my door. If tag equals low end, which is the timer tag we ran, then start the video. And over here, we'll set property cam game, so the camera game's visibility equals false. And also the cam HUD's visibility equals false. At first. We gotta set at first. And let's say if it's done, we just after this shit's right here, we set it to true. Now, that's how you compensate for low end PCs. So now if we go exit, go on story mode. B, I love you. Look at him, he's happy now. We go to normal. Now a video cutscene will play.
Lamp oil, rope, bombs. You want it? It's yours, my friend, as long as you have enough rubies. Sorry, Link. I can't give credit. Come back when you're a little richer.
And then now the thing will play. Awesome. Oh, but where's our stage? That's okay. I forgot to save the stage on the chart. My bad. All you have to do is go to stage, example stage, and save. That's how you do video cutscenes. That was a quick tutorial for video cutscenes. How to do video cutscenes. I love video cutscenes. They're the best. I'm gonna do text cutscenes later. Alright. Peace. Wait, actually no, before I go, as you can see now that if we start it again, it won't play it again, I don't think. Or I think it might, actually. No, I don't think it will. Because I already seen the cutscene. So it'll just play normally. Since I already saw the cutscene, and the variable says same cutscene, then I already saw the cutscene. Meaning, I don't have to see it again. Epic. Alright. Toodles.